this point of time, what we are looking at are the grand preparations that are still underway, and what we are learning is that the senior BJP leaders and in fact the BJP Delhi President Virendra Sachdeva along with Tarun Chugh, BJP National General Secretary, are going to visit the Ramlila Maidan at this point of time shortly. Now, the swearing-in ceremony of the Chief Minister and the new cabinet of the national capital will be held at the Ramlila Maidan. Lieutenant Governor V.K. Saxena will administer the oath and will chair the cabinet meeting at 12:35 p.m. PM Narendra Modi, Union Home Minister Amit Shah, Union Minister and the NDA Chief Ministers, Deputy Chief Ministers will witness the ceremony. All right, Mehendi, as in fact you are at Ramlila Maidan, show us exactly the place where the swearing-in ceremony will be taking place and the oath will be administered by the Delhi LG.
Well, yes, I mean, I'll show the visuals to our viewers as well, because the stage is all set and you can see the seating arrangement have been done, but it is very important to see the main stage area where the swearing-in ceremony will take place, where the newly appointed CM Rekha Gupta will take oath. So this is the center stage that I'm showing you in the visuals as well, where the oath will be taken by the CM and also the cabinet ministers. And apart from that, two stages side by side have been made for all the VIP guests that will be coming to witness this particular ceremony. And now, Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdeva has already reached on the main stage to check the preparations for the big day and for the big event that is set to happen at 12 p.m. today, where the oath will be taken place by the CM and also the cabinet ministers. So this is the main stage area that we are showing the visuals to our viewers as well, where the history will be written after 27 years by the Bharatiya Janata Party, and a women face and a women CM will take oath on this particular stage. Yes, Simi.
Absolutely, Mehendi. I'll request you to kindly stay on with us on the broadcast. And now, on that note, viewers will continue to track all the developments and the details very closely from all the corners as the national capital decks up for the mega grand swearing-in ceremony of the new Chief Minister of the national capital by the BJP. With more news and updates on the other side, let's stay tuned.